Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this lesson of Python, we'll be learning about strings and user input. All strings in Python are sequences of pure Unicode characters. Strings are amongst the most popular data types in Python. We can create them by enclosing characters with quotes, either with double quotes or single quotes. Python recognizes both these quotes as the same, and they're both strings to Python. Next, let's learn about user input. I'm first going to declare a variable here called favorite food and set it equal to input. The input function prompts the user in the console for a response. In this case, I want the question to be, what is your favorite food? Followed by colon and space. Now I'm going to print a string that says my favorite food is, and after the quotes I'm going to put an addition symbol here, and I'm going to add the variable favorite food. You can add two strings together and it will combine into one string. Let me remove or comment these print statements out and hit run. And now I'm prompted with a question, what is your favorite food, in the console. I'm going to say pizza, and the input is now stored into this variable called favorite food. And now we're going to print the string my favorite food is plus the favorite food variable, which is pizza, and it's going to print out the combined string my favorite food is pizza. Thanks for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.